Now to that immigration policy, Title 42, that has expired, and some migrants are saying that they will make it across the border, legally or not.
The U.S. law enforcement and troops are bracing for a crush of migrants trying to enter the U.S. KTLA's Carlos Herrera live now in Murrieta. Carlos, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Lauren and Megan. We're just hours into this new reality. As you mentioned, Title 42 has expired. A new, stricter law, Title 8, is now in effect. We're in Riverside County here this morning. This is actually the only county in the nation that gets undocumented immigrants dropped off at its border patrol centers like this one here in Murrieta. They're actually getting prepared to receive about 200 undocumented immigrants dropped off here a day, and they're getting really concerned about the lack of resources here and across the country. And this is why videos showing us clearly that many migrants rushed across the border last night. Thousands of them made it across. They're already there. Thousands more are behind them. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security says this is what they expected and what they had been planning for with Title 42's expiration. The pandemic health policy allowed for the swift expulsion of migrants with very little penalties or even consideration of their claims of asylum protection. Now that it's ended, they'll have a much longer process to go through before possible deportation. U.S. Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas spoke with CNN this morning.
We've been very, very clear that there are lawful, safe, and orderly pathways to seek relief in the United States. And if one arrives at our southern border, one is going to face tougher consequences, and that is what we are going to deliver.
And those tougher consequences include rules that are for non-Mexican immigrant asylum seekers that will be rejected if they illegally cross into the U.S. without first applying for and then being denied asylum in another country. Migrants must also schedule an appointment at a port of entry using a Customs and Border Patrol app. Those who don't follow those rules will result in deportation without the ability to enter the U.S. for at least 5 years. That's possibly even more. But many migrants were not aware of all this, mostly due to misinformation. More than 20,000 are now in CBP custody. Beds and shelters in U.S. border towns are in short supply. Some are even over capacity already. Despite all that, Mayorkas is saying this morning that the U.S. was and is prepared for this massive influx. Many of those undocumented immigrants are now in custody. They are being processed, and those who don't have a basis to remain here in the U.S. will be removed swiftly. We're live this morning in Murrieta. I'm Carlos Herrera, KTLA 5 News. I'll send it back to you.
Carlos, thank you.